Hi, everybody. This is the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Notice one of the big issues with starting and selling options and using theta decay and all the strategies that I've been using is so where do you start? It's a lot more difficult to think about where do I go to the option chain? How do I click on the option? What type of premium should I receive? So we decided to do a very quick start video series. All you got to do is put your link in the email in the description down below, and I'll go over a little bit more about what the emails consist of. All right, so again, if you go to the description down below this video, there's a link to this new quick video series that we did. Learn how to win 90% of your trades in 90 seconds. Literally walk through in 90 seconds exactly what to click on, how to sell options in order to get at least a 90% success rate on it. All you gotta do is enter your name and email address. You'll be able to learn the simple income generating secret majority of traders don't even know exists. Win 90% of your trades, the stock goes up, down, or sideways. Learn how to put time on your side when trading options. And each winner will close with a minimum of 50% profits. There's another link below this, so see a little bit more of the strategy and what putting in your email address will give you. These are some of the testimonials from some people that have been following my strategies, and feel free to browse any of those testimonials. There's a lot of very successful members and data traders as well. So all you gotta do is leave a link in the description down below, and you'll get immediate access to these.